Oh, you're falling for a person that's not even me. Oh, you're falling for a person that's not even me. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Gramercy Park by Alicia Keys. It's a very simple song. We're playing with no capo and using standard chords. So the chords are G, C, C, E minor, G. Okay? G, C, C, E minor, G. Okay? So how to play that is third on your 6th string, open on your 5th string, and then we go to C. Alright? And you're plucking the 5th string now. And then we go 3, 2, open, and then we're back on G. So there's 3, 2, open on the 5th string, which is C, E minor, open. Okay, so let's go. C, C, E minor, open, G. G, open, C, C, E minor, open, G, okay? And you're holding on that 3rd fret of your 2nd string to get that note. Now if you want to strum down, up, down, 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 okay? So that's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. That's the whole song, guys. If you are not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It's on this channel. If you can't find it, I will link it in the comment section. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.